sex shop.
Yeah. Get it all out round here, eh? Sex shop. See-through showers. Well, guten Morgen everyone. And welcome to Augsburg in Germany. So, if you watched the previous episode, last night when we arrived here, we got caught in one horrendous thunderstorm. And the rain absolutely lashed down. So when we got to the hotel, we were absolutely sodden. That much so that we left a great big puddle at reception where we'd been stood. Well folks, welcome to Augsburg. It's raining a little bit. Bloody hell. So we didn't get to see much of, well, we didn't get to see any of Augsburg yesterday evening because we were drying all our kit off, and so we just ate in the hotel and chilled out in the hotel. So this morning we thought we'd take a wee ride around Augsburg just before we head off up to Würzburg today. So we're going to be going up the romantic road, and it's quite romantic for us today because it's our 20th wedding anniversary.
Yay!
So don't say I don't do anything romantic, Joanne. I'm taking you up a romantic road on your 20th wedding anniversary. How's that?
What more could a girl ask for, eh?
Exactly.
A romantic road.
We're just going to take a wee drive around the old town, just take in some of the sights. This up ahead now is the Rathaus, or the town hall. A beautiful place.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll see how we get on today. We'll speak to y'all later.
So this is how we end up. Shades of blue and grey. I feel just like an empty bottle. My dreams are on delay. I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away.
Well folks, that was Augsburg. What little we saw of it. Unfortunately, when you're doing a trip like this, you don't get a lot of time in the places that you go to. And yesterday didn't help. If you saw the previous episode, we had a bit of a mix-up with the sat-nav. And obviously, like we were saying, the thunderstorm, so... But hopefully today, we'll go a bit more to plan, and we'll be in Würzburg quite early, and we can get a look around the town.
Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive, and we'll never turn our backs again. So this is how we end up. The game is set to play. Every day remains the same now. One decision we obey. I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away. Take me far away before my mind spins on.
Nice little village.
Like Rothenburg.
Aye.
Time for a wee coffee stop. It's in a little place called Nordlingen. Nordlingen. It's one of the stops that we planned on the route. It's a lot like Rothenburg that we stayed at earlier on in the tour, in that it's a walled, old medieval wall town. A big cathedral just behind us. So just going to stop, have a brew. Started to rain a wee bit, so hopefully this will pass over while we're having a coffee, and then we'll get back on the road.
What have you got, mate?
Apple strudel. What have you got?
I've got an espresso.
Uh-oh.
Trouble ahead. It's my third one today.
Bottoms up. Just climbed up to the top of the tower at the cathedral here in Nordlingen. Man, half killed me. Made me laugh though when you get near the top. There's a defib on the wall. I was going to have to use it. There's some view from up here. Yeah, let me show you. "300 steps, my ass."
How many?
I don't know, nearly killed me.
I'm glad I didn't go up.
Whew. That's me got my steps in today. It's like a big hamster wheel
Right,
up in the tower,
right.
and I was asking the guy up the top.
Nope, you have to go left.
I know. And what they used to do was lift the weight up,
Right,
so it's like a rope on it. And they used to get in the wheel like a hamster
uh-huh.
and wind a weight up the tower,
Right,
and then that's what they used to ring the bell. The weight
Right,
dropped
yeah.
down and spun it, and that's what rang the bell.
oh yeah.
There's Jimi Hendrix in a tree.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
that romantic?
Right.
A cement factory.
Next thing I know, I'm out alone in the cold. I went through fire and flames just to call you mine. Breaking shackles and chains just to call you mine. I can't believe it, how you're leaving me now. I went through fire and flames just to call you mine. I know I should turn my back and learn from you, 'cause it's all I can do. I know somewhere deep down I know where this thing is heading to, where it's heading to.
Lovely little place again.
Dead fat, because you eat more cake than anybody I know.
What?
You should be dead fat. Right. Nice. Good.
What are your 5 a day? Okay.
Go. Nice little place, mate.
Beautiful.
The sun's even come out for us.
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm looking forward to having today?
Wine.
No,
Huh?
a breakfast on the bridge.
A breakfast.
I set my sights high, don't I?
Sync up cameras.
Well, that was Dinkelsbühl.
Dinkelsbühl, was it? Is that what it was called?
Dinkelsbühl, yeah.
Dinkelsbühl.
Yeah, D-I-N-G-L-E-S. No, Dinkel. D-I-N-K-L-E-S. What's it? B-O-H-L or something like that. Pearl.
I'll put it at the bottom of the screen.
Yeah.
Now what if I did the same to you? That you would be less ooh, ooh, ooh. And what if I did the same to you? Ooh, ooh, ooh. You keep on sailing. What a distinct direction are you heading? You see me waiting, losing. I'm losing ground with every long distance sound. Woo-hoo-hoo. Now what if I did the same to you? Bet you would be less cool. Yeah, what if I did the same to you?
Well, I've got to say, Germany, you've got a lovely country, but your roads are
Yeah, what if I did the same to you? Ooh, ooh, ooh. It can take days if I know you, and get one of those minutes. Yeah, I'll keep on waiting. I won't close eyes till the sun come down. I'll keep on
This
waiting.
fella's just deliberately putting that there so that I can't get through, innit?
You're always getting arsehole.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Now what if I did the same to you? Bet you would be less cool. Yeah, what if I did the same to you? Woo-hoo-hoo. Now what if I did the same to you? Bet you would be less cool. Yeah, what if I did the same to you?
I don't know how you get in.
No, I don't. But that's it there.
Right.
Hotel Maritrim. I just get me. If you get me phone, I can. Wonder if you can park in there.
Yeah, you must. Yeah. Good evening, folks. So we managed to make our way here to Würzburg, and it's a great place, isn't
Oh,
it?
it's absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
Absolutely fantastic.
Great atmosphere, really chilled. Everybody's just hanging about. We're on a bridge over the river, and apparently the thing to do is to get yourself a glass of wine and have a glass of wine and just chill.
Chill.
So anyway, today ended up quite a good day. We had a couple of showers. We managed to miss the big one just as we arrived at the hotel, which was good. We didn't leave a puddle at this hotel like we did at the last one. But no, we went up the romantic road. We kind of went on and off it a few times, just to make up ground, really. I think if you stayed on the road itself, you could probably spend a week just in and out of all the little towns. So we just picked a couple that we wanted to visit, and they turned out to be.
They were really great.
It turned out to be really great, yeah. Proper old medieval, as you'd expect. Like,
Similar to Rottenberg.
yeah, very similar to Rottenberg, yeah.
Yeah.
But no, it's been a great day. So we're going to do what the locals do, and we're going to get ourselves a glass of wine. I'll speak to y'all in the morning. Well, cheers, my dears.
Cheers.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.